RNA instability. Regulated changes in mRNA stability can modulate the level of expression of genes. In the systems studied so far, the sequence determinants dictate mRNA instability rather than mRNA stability. mRNA instability is rather linked to ongoing translation. Both structure and sequence are important. The 5' and 3' terminal structures defend against degradation, and specific sequences within the mRNA may either provide targets to trigger degradation or may defend against degradation. Specific sequence elements within the mRNA may stabilize or destabilize it. In some cases, an mRNA can be stabilized by specifically inhibiting the function of a destabilizing element. mRNA decay pathway. The mRNA decay pathway is initiated by the removal of poly A tail. This disrupts the translation initiation complex and allows the degradative enzymes to access the 5' cap and remaining RNA body. The decay pathways are divided into 1. De-adenylation dependent pathway, 2. De-adenylation independent pathway, which is further subdivided into endoribonucleolytic decay and nonsense mediated decay or NMD. 3. RNAi dependent pathway. Let us now discuss each of these pathways. 1. De-adenylation dependent decay pathway. The first step in decay is shortening of poly A tail by de-adenylase. Thus, the 5' cap is removed and the mRNA is attacked by 5' and 3' exonucleases. AU-rich element or ARE found in 3' UTR encodes certain proteins which affect mRNA stability, translation and subcellular localization. Interaction of the ARE with a destabilizing factor might promote rapid de-adenylation by reducing the affinity of the poly A binding protein PABP for the poly A tail. In contrast, the stabilizing factor might enhance the binding of the PABP to the poly A tail, then blocking de-adenylation. Second pathway is de-adenylation independent decay pathway. In this, let us discuss about endoribonucleolytic decay. The endoribonuclease recognizes certain specific sequences within the transcript and cleave the mRNA internally, generating free 3' and 5' ends. These are easily accessible to exonucleases and get degraded. Some stabilizer proteins may block the binding of endoribonucleases and prevent degradation of mRNA. Nonsense mediated decay or NMD. In nonsense mediated decay, mRNAs with premature stop codons are degraded. It prevents the accumulation of aberrant transcripts and truncated protein by ensuring rapid decay of the mRNAs. mRNA stability is regulated in response to developmental or differentiation cues, hormonal regulation, diurnal variation and stress. The third pathway is RNAi dependent decay pathway. RNAi or RNA interference was discovered by Craig C. Mello and Andrew Z. Fire.